Sarado na ang CNN Philippines. Ang malaking katanungan, bakit nagsara ang CNN Philippines? The company sustained significant financial losses over the years. At ang nakakalungkot dito is around 300 employees ang madidisplace or mawawalan ng trabaho. What can we learn from this? I believe Warren Buffett said it best when he said, if your salary is your only source of income, you are one step away from poverty. Which is true. Dapat wag tayo magsettle for just one source of income. We should create another source of income by starting a side hustle or a part-time business para kung dumating man na magsara yung kumpanya at mawalan tayo ng trabaho, then hindi tayo apektado kasi may backup plan tayo. Marami na akong nakita mga Pilipino na nagsimula lang sa mga small businesses or side hustles na eventually napalago nila at ngayon, mga milyonaryo na at CEOs of their respective businesses. Ang good news, pwede rin itong mangyari sa iyo. Remember, your 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. job will give you your source of income. But after that, which is your 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. na sarili mo ng oras, what you do with it will give you your source of wealth.